Nokia Magic Max 2023 price, release date and full specs. Nokia Magic Max 2023 price, release date, full specs, review, buy online guide, pre-order, news. Today we are going to share a new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand, whose name is Nokia Magic Max 2023. Those who used mobile phones in life, that person must be known that Nokia is the most popular and favorite mobile company in the world. And also know that Nokia is a Finland multinational telecommunication, information technology, and consumer electronics company, founded in 1865. Every year, the Nokia Company provides many big flagship mobiles, middle-class phones, and low-budget high-performance phones. So, customers are waiting for the new smartphone of the Nokia brand. That's why, we are talking about a new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand, which is called Nokia Magic Max 2023. Nokia Magic Max 2023. Here below, we are going to share Nokia's upcoming smartphone Magic Max 2023 price, specs, and release date. We are trying to serially describe the Nokia Magic Max 2023 release date, full specifications, and price. So, stay with us and continue reading this content. Nokia Magic Max 2023 release date. After knowing the viral news of a Nokia flagship smartphone, every people who love the Nokia mobile, they are searching for the exact release date of the Nokia Magic Max 2023. But, we are sorry to inform you that, there is no official release date available for this smartphone. The expected release date of the Nokia Magic Max 2023 is August 15, 2023, or it may be late to release for features updates or company issues. Nokia Magic Max 2023 full specifications. First, we are talking about display. The Nokia upcoming smartphone Magic Max 2023 comes with a 6.9 Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Good news for the Nokia Magic Max 2023 mobile lovers, this mobile used display resolutions of 1440 by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always-on display, which is very helpful for an active user. After briefly describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of this special phone, whose name is the camera. On the camera section, Nokia added a triple 144MP primary lens plus 32MP ultra-wide lens plus 5MP depth sensor as back camera. For selfie, it has a 64MP camera. Regular camera features like Zeiss optics, LED flash, panorama, and HDR are added. Now, you can easily pick a picture or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is a very important part of a good smartphone. So, the Nokia Magic Max 2023 used a 6900 mAh polymer type non-removable battery for its long-time service. After charging one time, you don't need a charge for at least 40 hours. The fast battery charging is a common special feature for a flagship device. So, this phone included 65W quick battery charging features. Nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphone, they are fast check the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM, internal storage and an extra micro SD card. The Nokia upcoming phone Magic Max 2023 comes with 12GB RAM and two variants, 256 GB and 512 GB ROM. Customers can easily exacerbate internal storage by using a micro SD card up to 1 TB. In the operating system section, this smartphone added Android 13. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform makes this smartphone very fast. This Nokia smartphone used GSM/CDMA/HSPA/EVDO/LTE/5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of a good smartphone. So, Nokia's upcoming mobile used the latest sensors technology and their name is fingerprint, under the display, ultrasonic, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. Nokia Magic Max 2023 price. The official Nokia Magic Max 2023 GSM Arena price is not available for this upcoming smartphone. In this paragraph, you will find the Nokia Magic Max 2023 price in India, USA, UK, Australia, UAE, KSA, Singapore, Malaysia, Nigeria, Philippines, Greece, Iran, Portugal, Italy, Ireland, Canada, Egypt, Thailand, Cyprus, Germany, Hungary, Hong Kong, Turkey, Austria, Japan, Ukraine, Russia, and Europe. Country info. The Nokia Magic Max 2023 price will be started from $350 United States dollar, 28,900 Indian rupees, Indian rupee, 295 pounds sterling, British pounds sterling, 520 Australian dollars, Australian dollar, 1275 AED, United Arab Emirates dirham, 1315 SAR, Saudi Riyal, 470 SGD, Singapore dollar, 1545 MYR, Malaysian ringgit, 25,490 RUB, Russian ruble, 157,500, NGN, Nigerian naira, 330 euros.